Question 1. Which of the following bonds is the strongest? A. Ionic bond. B. Covalent bond. C. Hydrogen bond. D. Metallic bond. Correct answer is option B. Covalent bond. Question 2. Which of the following molecules contains a coordinate bond? A. Oxygen. B. Hydrogen chloride. C. Ammonium ion. D. Methane. Correct answer is option C. Ammonium ion. Question 3. Ionic bonds are formed by A. Sharing of electrons. B. Transfer of protons. C. Transfer of electrons. D. Sharing of neutrons. Correct answer is option C. Transfer of electrons. Question 4. Which of the following elements forms metallic bonds? A. Sodium. B. Hydrogen. C. Carbon. D. Oxygen. Correct answer is option A. Sodium. Question 5. The number of bonding pairs in ammonia is A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. D. 4. Correct answer is option C. 3 bonding pairs. Question 6. Which molecule has a triple bond? A. Hydrogen. B. Oxygen. C. Nitrogen. D. Carbon dioxide. Correct answer is option C. Nitrogen. Question 7. Which of the following is not an example of covalent bonding? A. Hydrogen. B. Chlorine. C. Sodium chloride. D. Methane. Correct answer is option C. NaCl, sodium chloride. Question 8. Electronegativity difference for purely covalent bonds is A. 0. B. 0.5. C. 1.7. D. Greater than 1.7. Correct answer is option A. 0. Question 9. Which of these molecules has a nonpolar covalent bond? A. HF, hydrogen fluoride. B. Carbon monoxide. C. Chlorine. D. Water. Correct answer is option C. Chlorine. Question 10. Which of the following has both ionic and covalent bonds? A. Ammonia. B. NaCl, sodium chloride. C. Sodium hydroxide. D. Sulfuric acid. Correct answer is option C. Sodium hydroxide. Question 11. The shape of BF3 is A. Linear. B. Triangle planar. C. Tetrahedral. D. Bent. Correct answer is option B. Triangle planar. Question 12. The angle in water molecule is A. 109.5 degrees. B. 120 degrees. C. 104.5 degrees. D. 180 degrees. Correct answer is option C. 104.5 degrees. Question 13. Which has a linear shape? A. Carbon dioxide. B. Ammonia. C. Water. D. Methane. Correct answer is option A. Carbon dioxide. Question 14. The shape of ammonium ion is A. Triangle planar. B. Pyramidal. C. Tetrahedral. D. Linear. Correct answer is option C. Tetrahedral. Question 15. Which molecule has a bent structure? A. Carbon dioxide. B. Beryllium chloride. C. Water. D. Methane. Correct answer is option C. Water. Question 16. In VSEPR theory, lone pairs cause A. Bond formation. B. Bond strengthening. C. Bond angle increase. D. Bond angle distortion. Correct answer is option D. Bond angle distortion. Question 17. ClF3 has which geometry? A. T-shaped. B. Linear. C. Squared planar. D. Triangle planar. Correct answer is option A. T-shaped. Question 18. Number of lone pairs in SF4 is A. 0. B. 1. C. 2. D. 3. Correct answer is option B. 1 lone pair. Question 19. Which molecule has sp superscript 2 hybridization? A. Methane. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Boron trifluoride. D. Ammonia. Correct answer is option C. BF. Boron trifluoride. Question 20. Bond angle in CH4 is A. 109.5 degrees. B. 120 degrees. C. 90 degrees. D. 104.5 degrees. Correct answer is option A. 109.5 degrees. Question 21. Hybridization of carbon in ethine is A. sp. B. sp2. C. sp3. D. dsp2. Correct answer is option A. sp hybridization. Question 22. Number of pi bonds in benzene is A. 3. B. 6. C. 0. D. 2. Correct answer is option A. 3 pi bonds. Question 23. Which molecule is diamagnetic? All electrons are paired. A. Oxygen. B. Diboro. C. Nitrogen. D. Dicarbon. Correct answer is option C. nitrogen. Question 24. Bond order of O2 molecule is A. 1, B. 2, C. 2.5, D. 3. Correct answer is option B. 2. Question 25. What is the hybridization of carbon in CO2? A. sp3, B. sp2, C. sp, D. dsp2. Correct answer is option C. sp hybridization. Question 26. Which orbital overlap leads to sigma bond formation? A. SS overlap, B. sp overlap, C. pp axial overlap, D. all of the above. Correct answer is option D. all of the above. Question 27. Which of the following is not correctly matched? A. sp3 tetrahedral, B. sp2 trigonal planar, C. sp octahedral, D. dsp3 trigonal bipyramidal. Correct answer is option C. sp octahedral. Question 28. What is the bond order of N2 plus ion? A. 2, B. 2.5, C. 3, D. 1.5. Correct answer is option B. 2.5. Question 29. Which type of bond is longest among the following? A. Single bond, B. Double bond, C. Triple bond, D. all are equal. Correct answer is option A. Single bond. Question 30. Number of sigma bonds in ethene is A. 3, B. 5, C. 6, D. 4. Correct answer is option C. 6 sigma bonds.
आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो लाइक करो, शेयर करो और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना। और कमेंट करके बताओ अगला वीडियो किस टॉपिक पर चाहिए।